talking to me, but I never hear a word. Please excuse me, I was in another world. The hotter the weather, ooh, wear short shorts. I wear short shorts. Roll 'em up. From Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted, 5-year bid up north when they ratted. Anyway, I felt them, helped them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium, welcome. Was this pretty? That's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm Mama D in the outer. I call him Daddy like doubters. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then lick it out with his fingers. I'm in the zone. This ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you want, do it whenever you want, baby. It's yours. Anywhere, everywhere, baby. It's yours. Ain't it?
Alright. She got a nip at home and one on the side.
Surfing on a sine wave, swinging through the stars. Take a left at human testing. Take your second right past Mars on the magic scuba. Alligator nostril. Climb on the magic scuba. Spank a plankton too. On our magic scuba. Drop the river of lava. On magic scuba. Such a fine thing to do. So strap your bones right to the seat. Come on in and don't be shy. Just to make your day complete. You might get baked into a pie on the magic scuba. Step inside, it's a wilder ride.